Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel again. I have some light makeup on today because I was going to go to the movies and get some quick dinner with my friends. And I was like, I have a couple hours before I go do that, so maybe I could film something real quick, but since I already have my face makeup on. So, we're going to be testing out these Victoria's Secret lipsticks. So yeah. Gotta do a thumbnail. And I hope you guys are intrigued. So I'm gonna swatch you guys the liquid colors and the velvet mattes. Do you see her? Oh. Mia, you just let that go, huh? I just can't believe you. I just can't believe you, Mia, that you would just do that to me. Anyway, if you guys are interested in this video, please continue watching. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, join the fam. Thank you so much. Tried the velvet mattes before. They are a really nice formula, but I have not tried the liquid colors yet. So let's go with the velvet mattes because these are the first ones that I have tried. The shade Adored. I wanna take you away. First off, they're like a nice velvet formula. I forgot I do like this formula. So there is, this one is in the shade Adored. It's a nice formula. This is $14, but I know they have like a huge sale. This looks super pale compared to the actual lips color. They definitely don't look like a gloss. It's like a nice plush matte. This one is in the shade Perfection. They're super easy to do without lip liner. I think this color is like probably best suited for my skin tone. I just love it. I love it. It looks so good. It's like the old Kylie Jenner lip color. This one is in the shade Obsessed. It's like purple, red, magenta. That's a nice color. I like that color. Desire. It's like a red. Hopefully it's like a blue tone red. I don't know if you can see this, but this right here is here. All this one's hitting at that. So I think you can build up the coverage with the color. Like it still looks red, but it's not as pigmented as this side. This is the lip color wanted built to the full capacity. We have one more to go for the velvet mattes. The Drama. So this is what it looks like with just with one whole layer. It's not really, I don't know why this color does that with like any color from any brand. This color is always hard for them to like make perfect. We're gonna try in with a second dip, and I have not done that with any of those cream mattes. Alrighty, so here is this color, a second layer. This one is Drama. It's Drama for like, to get the color, to get everything. This is just a Drama color. I don't know about these colors, but they're always the dark ones, dark purple especially. I feel like no one can get it right. This one is the least favorite of mine, but the formula is great. So these are all the velvet matte lipsticks. They're actually velvet stains and they're cream formula. So I really do like the formula. The formula is great. It's probably one of my favorites. But the color, especially this color, I don't really like. But the other four, I give a good thumbs up with. So now I have all of these. I have all these liquid colors, and these are Intense Lip Lacquers. So I don't know if they're gonna be matte or they're gonna be glossy. We'll see. We have a different range of colors. This is the liquid color, and this one is in the shade Sultry. Sultry. Like a light peachy nude. I'm excited. Definitely different formula. It's very sticky. Like excuse me. lord. As you can see, they're like a gloss. This is like a gloss. It's very pigmented gloss. I do like that. But if you like like you just mumble your lips together, they stick very like a lot. Like there's a lot of tackiness in the gloss. You know, I don't know. We'll see where my feelings go. But I like this color. Maybe you need a liner with it. But it's a lip gloss. This one is in the color Bitten. It's a darker pinky color. Okay, so here is this color Bitten. Like the other ones, these are $14 as well. And you know, I don't know if I like the formula or the fact that it streaks and you have to perfect it for a long time. So I don't know if that's something you're into. This one's more of a Barbie pink. This one is called Bombshell. Speaks true to brand. Oh my god. Candy Yum Yum Who. And the color Bombshell. You know, I don't know how I feel about this one. I like the color. It's just a little bit bold for some people. I just think it's a nice color. The formula, again, but it's a nice color. It did go on nicer than the other two. Like it didn't have as much streakiness, but now I do see some like clumpy parts. But if you don't care about that, then yellow it. If you just want it for the color, it's nice. This one is Naughty, and this one is more of a corally red color. Oh, I love this color. This one has to be my favorite color so far, and the lip lacquers. These are amazing. Yeah, I like this one. This one is my favorite so far in the shade Naughty. But I already knew I was naughty. And then the shade Attitude is like a brown. Do you see that? That was a nice coverage. There is Attitude. I love this color too. Love the coverage. It's not streaky. I think the darker colors are gonna be the bomb in this formula. This one is in the style, the color Decadent, which is a dark brown, true brown K, if you may. It's definitely not as dark as I thought it would be. Alrighty, I have gathered my thoughts on the liquid colors. So the lighter colors, which are these two, I love these colors. I just don't like the way that it looks on the lips because the formula makes it look streaky as, you know, and it just doesn't look as pretty as if it was like a matte formula. But I do like the colors, the coverage on everything. Oh yeah, so I definitely recommend the bottom colors, all the darker colors, not the bottom colors. All the darker colors, I do like that, but now I want to see if I can like ombre the lip gloss. Yeah, if you're wondering, yes you can. So which out of the two formulas are my favorites? I definitely am gonna say the Velvet Mattes are my favorite because I love a matte lip color. I love the formula way better. I just love it. But if you are a glossy girl or boy, I do recommend the liquid lip colors, except I would recommend the dark ones, not the light ones. So you can definitely go with any of these four. If you want to go with the Barbie pink, I just don't know if you will like the Barbie pink, but these are all super wearable, except this one. But if you want to do the Barbie look or whatever, this one's good too. I don't know if you can see, like, my lips look super glossy. I'm a glossy girl too. I thought they were liquid lipsticks, so I was shook by it, but I definitely recommend them. I recommend all the dark ones except that super dark one. Isn't it weird how the lip glosses can hold a darker color more than the mattes? Or I just think it's that purple. That purple, nobody can get that, right? Oh yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this liquid lip color gloss swatch party going on from Victoria's Secret. Now you know, you got my thoughts, you got the formula and the feel for all of the lip colors that they offer at Victoria's Secret. Yeah, and again, I didn't use any lip liners for any of the colors, which is a good one. You guys want first for the next one, because I do have my Buckley Charm video coming up next, or I have my Ray Ray review, or I have my Kathleen Lights review. So let me know what you guys want next. I think I'm gonna do Buckley Charm, but then just let me know if you want my Ray Ray or Kathleen's first. Let me know down below. Comment down below. Subscribe. If you guys are wondering what my highlight is today, it is Jeffree Star King Tut. So yeah, that's everything for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time. Adios.